Whoa! Did your stomach just make a loud talking noise? While it might feel a little embarrassing, there is an animal whose burps are powerful enough to help warm up our entire planet. To understand how that works, we have to look inside the body to see what a burp is actually made of and where it begins. A burp serves a specific mechanical purpose. It is the body's way of venting trapped gas that it needs to let go of. Every time you gulp down food or a drink, you accidentally swallow a pocket of invisible air from the outside world along with it. If you are drinking really quickly, you end up forcing a significant amount of extra air directly down your throat. Once you swallow, that pocket of air slides right down your esophagus, following your drink. It lands in your stomach, the squishy bag inside you that holds all your food. Your stomach only has so much room. When that lightweight air gets trapped inside, it builds up pressure that your body eventually has to relieve. Because air is so much lighter than your food or your drink, it doesn't stay at the bottom. It floats straight back up to the very top of your stomach. The loud noise you hear next doesn't actually come from the stomach itself. The sound comes from a small muscle door at the top of the stomach. As escaping gas rushes past it, the door flaps really fast, creating that familiar vibration. A burp is just your body's pressure release valve, making a mechanical noise as it vents out that trapped air. Certain things you swallow cause much larger and more frequent burps than a regular meal. Fizzy drinks like soda are packed with carbon dioxide, a gas made of tiny bubbles hiding inside the liquid. When soda hits your warm stomach, those bubbles pop and join together, creating a massive upward rush of gas. Drinking soda means you are swallowing concentrated gas, which leads to the loudest and biggest burps. Speaking of massive amounts of gas, cows chewing grass in a field burp constantly throughout the day. Instead of carbon dioxide, cow stomachs produce a different gas called methane. When cows burp, that methane floats into the atmosphere and traps heat in the sky. Because there are millions of cattle grazing around the world, their daily digestion adds enough methane to the atmosphere to affect the climate of the entire planet. Let's test what you've learned. Question 1. What invisible thing do we swallow that turns into a burp? It's air. Question 2. What kind of drink creates the largest burps? Fizzy Ones. Question 3. Which grazing animal helps warm the planet with its burps? The cow. You've got it. To join our next scientific adventure, hit that subscribe button. To recap, a burp is swallowed air, the sound is a flapping muscle, and both soda and cows create the most gas. See if the adults in your life know what a burp is actually made of. You can also try an experiment. Drink a glass of water very slowly. You will swallow less air, and you'll find you burp a lot less too. Now you know why we burp. But what happens when salty water leaks right out of your eyes? Tap the video on your screen to find out why we cry.